Alright, I'm going to jump into this video and do the daily update on USDJPY. As we spoke yesterday, we were talking about this weekly high getting swept, which is now swept because I was looking if it was going to come down here, I was going to start taking longs to take this out. But since we've already swept it, I will not be looking for that. I will only be trading off of the daily. Now, this daily candle here tells me that we are likely to go lower. So what I usually do, I mark this out like that, and I'll start my sells right from the wick. I like to enter in these wicks. So anywhere in this whole zone is a sell zone for me, and I will be targeting TP1 and TP2, which is the low of this candle. It could also go all the way down to this zone. So right here, you'll see some buying pressure in this zone. So there's two type of outcomes. I see we are coming to the end of the month as well. So we had a pretty strong month, I'm pretty sure. So if we take a look at this month, strong monthly candle came into this area to close the gap. But it is still possible to continue going higher. To close previous month gap is up to here. So for when we start next month, depending on how we finish this chart, if it finishes like this, I'm expecting either we just sweep this high to take that liquidity to then come down, or we just come straight down, which I'd like to see all the way to about there. It could also come down to the wick to then flip, but let's just not get ahead of ourselves. We're looking at the current market. We're looking at the current daily. The daily is telling me we're going short for the day. I am still in my major short zone. I'm pretty much aiming for 152 to close the full shorts that I am in, but it could come all the way down to here, which is this little imbalance that we have. So for today, that's the path. We're looking at shorts here, and to take out these, you'll find some resistance here, which it might come back into some sort of, you might find some support here, and it might come into some sort of resistance to then possibly make that type of move for the day. Let's see if we can see some good zones to enter. It's a bearish candle. That's a weak 4-hour candle. If you want to try get some good shorts, you want to look at these zones. So that's a zone. And if we mark it down even more, it's a good zone to short from. I'd also have a short right above these two 1-hour candles because they closed pretty strong. This was a weak 1-hour candle, so the likelihood of this getting swept is quite high. Apart from that, happy trading, everyone.